Hey guys, this week we're starting a brand new series on RV maintenance. We're diving into the crucial task of cleaning out your water heater. Whether you're a seasoned RV or just starting out, this video is for you. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about why a water heater maintenance is essential. Clean water heater ensures efficient heating, extends its lifespan, and provides safe, hot water for showers and dishes. We camp in a lot of different RV parks, and water quality is always different. We get a lot of hard water at a lot of places that we stay. So cleaning out all that calcium really helps to maintain the life expectancy of your hot water heater. So first things first, let's gather our tools. You'll need a socket and a ratchet. Mine calls for 1 1/16 inch socket, an RV flushing wand, and possibly a bucket. I also have this little item that I made myself. Safety first, turn off the water heater using the switch inside your RV or on the control panel. Then either wait for it to cool, or I like to turn the hot water on in the bathroom and just let it run till it turns cold. Then come into your basement area, turn off your water heater, just bypass it. All right, let's open the pressure valve. There. And then we'll take the nut loose here. All right, once you've got the water pretty much drained out, you'll get yourself one of these flush wands. This just slides right up in there. You turn the water on, and you just move it back and forth and get it all of it out. You can see all the calcium come out of here. And this was just done beginning of January. Now that she's empty, put our nut back on. Let's make sure you don't cross thread this thing. It doesn't take much to tighten this up. You just want it tight enough to not leak. I don't even use a ratchet most of the time. Now, you'll come over here and bypass back off. Water heater will be filling. Once the water starts coming back out of here, and it burps all the air out, then we'll close that down and it'll be done. All right, we'll close this up, and don't forget to turn the water heater back on. There you have it, job done. A clean water heater, ready for your next adventure. Remember to do this annually or as needed. We're full-time in our rig, so I try to do this once a quarter. If you're a weekend warrior, you can probably get by with doing this once or twice a year, depending on how much you use your camper. Let me know if you like my drain pan. I came up with that idea and I've made it, and I could make some for you if you're interested. Just leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more RV tips. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If there's anything you'd like me to cover, or if you have ideas for some more maintenance ideas, let me know that too in the comment section. Until next week, guys, stay safe out there.